If your company is newly set up, you can skip this training and proceed to the next training topic 3.0. As part of the system setup, if you have unpaid suppliers invoices from the previous financial period, you need to take it up in the real-time system as opening balances, so that when you make payments to your suppliers in this current financial period, you can match the payment against these invoices. For example, this is a simple mock-up supply aging list showing the suppliers from A to Z in the Sunshine Private Limited accounts, with the individual invoices and the date of the invoice, invoice number, currency, the invoice amount on or before 31st March 2013. They are all in Sing dollars and no foreign currencies. And we are going to enter all these suppliers' outstanding invoice into the real-time system. If your company has supplier opening balances both in Sing dollars and foreign currencies, you may want to proceed to the next training video 2.4a, where A denotes advanced level. These are the invoices still owing to a suppliers in Sing dollars only. For example, supplier ABC owed one invoice of amount $2,300. This is an overpayment or could be an advance payment to the supplier CDE on this date that is awaiting for the next invoice to be offset against. This is an unapplied credit note from this supplier ZTC that is still not offset against their invoice. The total outstanding owing to all suppliers will be the sum of all these invoices to the amount of $12,350, which tallies with the trade creditors control in the balance sheet as at 31st March 2013, as shown here. There are a few things that we need to check before we start entering the supplier's opening balance. First, at account setup, click financial period. Make sure that the financial period 0 ends at March 2013, so that the system will block the users if the opening balance record is not entered on or before 31st March 2013. And for financial period 1, it is to begin from April 2013 to next year March 2014. The system will use the financial period to counter check to make sure that all the dates that you enter for all the opening balance will fall on or before March 2013. So if the financial period is not set properly, it will affect the opening balances entered into the system. Next, at card file, click on Supply Master. If your Supply Master in the list is not in the system yet, you can quickly add the supplier's ID and supplier's name into the system. You can update the supplier's address at a later date. At buying detail, remember to put the relevant purchase tax code into each supplier's accounts. Click Save. For supplier BCD, click Save. Click OK. Next, supplier CDE. Click Save. OK. Enter the next supplier. Click Save. Enter supplier ZTC. Click Save. Click OK. Exit. Next, go to Account Entry. Click Purchase Journal. We are now ready to enter the supplier's opening balances. Click Add. Enter the supplier ID ABC and the invoice number 4567. At the top here, click the drop-down box and choose Opening. Enter the invoice date, 20th February. Next, at the fast code here, type 0, the numeric 0, and the invoice amount 2003. At the text code field here, by default it is set as out of scope purchase. Do not change this text code. Once complete, click Save. Click OK. Continue to enter the next supplier's opening balances. Invoice number 76549. Invoice date 25th of March. Fast code 0. Amount 3690. Save. Next supplier CDE. Payment voucher number 2345. Date 13th of February. Fast code 0. Because this is an overpayment, enter the amount 500 minus. Click Save. OK. Next supplier DEF. Invoice number 6780. Invoice date 14th of January. Fast code 0. Invoice amount 6564. Click Save. OK. Next, ZTC. Invoice number 256456. 16th of March. Fast code 0. 559.22. Click Save. The same supplier, but this is a credit note now. CN 2345. Dated 3rd of February. Fast code 0. Credit note is a negative amount of 263.22. Minus. Save. OK. Exit from this purchase journal entry. Yes. Next, go to Reports. Select Suppliers Ledger. Select Detailed Aging. We are going to verify the purchase journal opening balance entry is correct as per the balance sheet date. Set to the aging date 31st of March. And click OK. The total of the suppliers aging as at 31st March 2013 is $12,350, which tallies with the trade creditors control in the balance sheet as at 31st March 2013, as shown here. You have successfully learned how to enter your supplier's opening balance as at 31st March 2013.